everybody. We're gonna be opening up a bird feeder. This one's called Nature Bird's Eye View, and it's a window bird feeder. I got this one for my birthday, and I'm super duper excited to open this, and so I can see birds up at my window. This bird feeder comes with a house, suction cups for your window, and a bird tray, or a food tray. Things that you need: bird food, something to clean your window. First, you find a perfect spot that you can see in your house. Then you go clean your window. See, because there's sometimes spiders on your window, like mine, so you have to clean it real good. Spider right there. We already applied the suction cups, and now we're gonna put it on the window, but make sure to do it straight and tight. Now we are going to be placing the bird food on the food tray. I wonder what this tastes like. I think the birds are gonna love it. Now we put the food in the house, and then we wait. Make sure to like and subscribe.